Bluetooth is not showing in your Windows 11. No toggle. No Bluetooth option at all? Don't worry. This is a very common problem, and you can fix it in just a few steps. First, let's confirm the problem. As you can see, there is no Bluetooth option on the PC. Now, click on the Start button and search for Services. Open it. Scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click on it and go to Properties. Now here, change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Apply, then click on Start. Wait for a second and press OK. Next step, again click on the Start button and search for Device Manager. Open it. Now expand the Bluetooth section. If your device is disabled, just right-click and enable it. After that, right-click again and click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows install the latest driver. And that's it. Your Bluetooth should be working now. Extra tip. If you don't see any Bluetooth option in Device Manager, that means the driver is missing. In that case, open your browser and search for your laptop brand, like Dell, HP, or Lenovo. Bluetooth driver. Go to the official website, enter your PC model, download the correct driver, and install it. And that's it. Your Bluetooth problem is fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.